Buzzies, welcome to BuzzingOwl.
Buzzing out, flying high, learning every day, reaching the sky. Trees and leaves, the colors shine. Come explore nature, it's science time. Buzzing out, oh, can't you see? We learn and play, just wait and see.
Hello, friends! It's me, Buzzy. Today, I have a super cool question. How do we breathe? Let's find out together.
Breathing is how we take in air. We breathe in oxygen, which is needed for our bodies to stay alive. When we breathe out, we get rid of carbon dioxide, which our body doesn't need.
Look, when I breathe in, I take in fresh air. And when I breathe out, it goes away. That's how our bodies work.
Our lungs are the special parts inside us that help us breathe. Air goes through our nose or mouth into our lungs, and then our body takes in the oxygen. When we breathe out, the air leaves through our lungs and mouth.
See how my lungs work? The air goes in and out just like that.
Oxygen is really important because it helps our body get energy. Without oxygen, we wouldn't be able to move, play, or even think.
Oxygen gives me the energy to fly and play all day long. That's why we need to keep breathing.
So friends, now you know how we breathe. We take in oxygen to stay healthy, and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Isn't it amazing?
Thanks for learning about breathing with me. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Keep learning with me.
Breathe in, breathe out, take a deep breath. In through your nose, feel the air go in. Oxygen's here to help you feel bright. Now breathe out slowly, it feels so right. Breathe in, breathe out, let's all take a breath. Oxygen's power, it helps us be our best. Breathe in, breathe out, now you know the way. We need oxygen to keep us strong every day. Where the air comes through, down to our lungs, it helps us move and have some fun. When we breathe out, we say goodbye to the air we don't need. Oh my, oh my. Breathe in, breathe out, let's all take a breath. Oxygen's power, it helps us be our best. Breathe in, breathe out, now you know the way. We need oxygen to keep us strong every day. Breathe in, breathe out, now you know how. Keep breathing, friends, let's learn right now. Breathe in, breathe out, it's simple, it's true. Breathing keeps us healthy, and it's good for you. Breathe in, breathe out, let's all take a breath. Oxygen's power, it helps us be our best. Breathe in, breathe out, now you know the way. We need oxygen to keep us strong every day. You did great, you learned so much today. So many new things in your brain. Buzzing Out is proud of you. Learning's fun, and that's true too. Don't forget to like and subscribe now so we can learn and play again somehow. Buzz, see you in the next Buzzworthy show.